Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix if your Beats Free Pro are not connecting and if you have problems with that. So the first thing that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to work out for you, is that first unpair it from the phone. So if you have paired it in a phone, you want to unpair it. It's different for Samsung, different for iPhone if you have it. But how it works, I will show you right here. If you have Android, I don't know what you have. So you would come here, you would go to connections, you would go to Bluetooth, and here, let's say I'm going to choose this one right here, and you would go to settings, and on the bottom right, you can have unpair. Do you see that? So this is the first thing. The second thing is that what you can try to do is open the lid and have both earbuds clicked inside, and then hold this button right here between the earbuds, and it needs to turn to red. We'll just wait here. Do you see that? So right now it has been resetted. It went 3 times, and now it should be possible to make this and work. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and goodbye.